Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 26th of August 2021. Taking a look at Bitcoin here, bearish engulfing candlestick that is currently developing on the daily chart. I say currently developing because there's around 5 hours left before the daily candlestick closes. So this is a Bitcoin, so a lot of things can happen between now and then. But we do have a higher high than yesterday, a lower low than yesterday, and currently the body of the current daily candlestick is definitely below the body of yesterday's candle. If we do have a close down here, this will be the lowest, almost moved up a little bit, but this will be the lowest close since the 20th. Typical Gann cycles that we've reviewed, I guess they're not really typical, but I guess typical in that I've talked about them a lot, but the Gann cycles that we've looked at over the last couple weeks, indicating some likely changes in direction. Those are playing out right now. If you want to know when, if it's going to keep moving down, like when we would probably see that change, it's likely when you see the future span A and future span B start to slope in the same angle in the direction of the cloud. So that would be right around the end of the first week of September, on September 6th to September 7th. Looking at the oscillators down below, you see a clear breakdown here. If you were to draw the pennant or triangle pattern on the RSI, you would see a clear break below that trend line, the lower trend line of the RSI. The same thing may be developing here on the composite index. So this is more of a downward slope. We're approaching the first oversold condition in a bull market, which is 50 on the RSI. We're still very neutral here on the composite index, but because on the composite index, if you look, we're now below. We've crossed below both the long and the slow and the fast moving average. So that's a bearish indication right there. Broke down back into neutral territory on the percent B, but the slope of the percent B is pretty steep. And steep, is that useful when it's sloping down? If it crosses below, very much like what I just said with Ethereum's video, if the percent B crosses below 0.2 and closes below 0.2 while the RSI remains above 40, that's a very, very bearish event, and we would likely see a pretty big move south very quickly. Again, one of the things that we'd like to see here to resume the bull trend is for the composite index to match the composite index low of July 20th or ideally exceed it, thereby creating some pretty wicked hidden bullish divergence. That'd be awesome if that were to occur up against the Kijun Sen, because our retracement wouldn't be that deep. Otherwise, you could see it come down as low as 35,500, where the single span B is at. That'd be the next major support zone on the chart. So we'll look out for those things and watch for them to happen, and just kind of keep an eye on things as we move along. An update is necessary. Thank you all for watching. From all of us here at Exchange Rates UK TV, please don't forget to like and subscribe.